Hello and welcome to today's tech tip. I'm going to show you today how we're going to let Checkmate determine the best probe angle for measuring a particular feature. On this part here, you see we have two holes on the front face here, and we're going to let Checkmate determine what is the best probe angle to use. If we go to the probe ribbon, and let's just go and select Edit Probe Angles and Tips. If we click on that, we can see what probe angles I've already got in my system using to measure this part. So you can see I've got 4 tips here starting with 0, 0, 15, 180, 90 minus 90, and 90 plus 90. So that's what I have so far. And I'll just hit OK to this. I just wanted to take a look at that list. So to get Checkmate to tell me what is the best angle to use, first of all, we want to put a measurement there. So we can go to the measure ribbon. We'll say do a circle inner. And we'll just pick on the face there, and now we have a circle measurement. Once we do that, now we can go to the probe ribbon and execute our probe angle change command. And then instead of picking a point up in space up on the work plane like you might think, we just go over to the programming browser and we simply click on the feature that I want to measure and get the best probe angle for. And then we hit enter, enter, and then what happens is the list comes up with my existing probe angles, and you'll notice up at the top here it actually tells me, it highlights the best probe angle out of my list, the 15 180. And even down at the bottom it tells you that 002 is the closest position, however it does have 30 degrees of error. And then the magic is right below it. It says the best angle would be a 45 180 with 0 degrees of error. And you'll notice right where I go and add my new probe angles, it has another one set up ready to go, number 5, which is 45 180, the one that it's suggesting. So right now as it stands, if I just hit OK, it'll take and use the probe out of my list, the 15 180, the one that's highlighted. Or I can go over here and I can hit the apply button and it adds it to the list and it highlights it, and now I can hit OK and it'll use the indeed best probe angle being 45 180. And if I zoom out a little bit, you can see the here it is right here. There's my probe angle. Now you'll notice when it adds it to the list over in the programming browser, it's in the wrong order. It put it after the circle, but that's not a problem. We would want that in front of the circle, so we'll just drag it up and we'll simulate that. It rotates to the best angle and then goes inside. One final thing, this probe rotation, how far away from the measurement does it put it? Well, it uses the clearance value that's on that particular measurement. So if you want this probe rotation to be further away, then before you do it, edit the measurement and change that clearance height to be a larger number. Thanks for watching and have a great day.